gotta take these forks out. One of them leaks. One of them was rebuilt, but because this is a Piaggio product, parts take a long time to get here, and well, they don't really give a shit about fixing old bikes when they can just focus on selling new ones. So it was hard to get parts. But when the fork seals came back in stock, I bought all of them. So if you're looking for some, I have them. I bought all the ones they had. I think I gotta take this nose cone off, which is gonna be a pain in the butt. It's really broken, but it's better than the other two. Is this bike gonna flip over backwards? No. Okay, sweet. Move the speedometer shit out of the way. Try and wiggle this out. Oh, it's got nice brake pads. That's miraculous. Got the wheel off. Oh my goodness. How do these come out? Yeah, I'm gonna just fast forward here while I get the nose cone off. Alright, working on getting the forks off. I just got one more to go. Disconnect the brake caliper with the 10mm. Just leave it dangling by the hose. You're definitely supposed to use a bungee or something to support that so it's not hanging by the line, but whatever. Then there's a pinch bolt at the top of the triple tree. I guess it's not even a triple tree on a scooter, it's just a fork clamp. On a dirt bike there's an upper and a lower and they call it a triple tree. But this is just a scooter. What size is it? 15? I got one of those. I use the Impact for like everything. It's just a DeWalt impacting screwdriver, but for working on scooters, it's good enough. Pinch bolt out. Now there's a little snap ring. These are always fun because usually when you get them out, they fly away. Yeah, got it. Forks are out. I already rebuilt another set. I just haven't put oil in them yet. This one, I don't think this is a good one. But yeah, that's why I'm replacing them. Okay, I'm gonna go get the other forks and stick them in there. Everything on the front of this bike is pretty oily because the oil tank's up here. I guess on that side. And yeah, whenever you fill it, you overfill it because you can't see the heck's going on in there. It's a really great design. And then the oil just coats the entire front of the bike, giving it a great rust-proof coating. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go get some forks. I'm gonna put them in. I'm gonna degrease it with brake clean, and I'm gonna start putting it back together.